Have you ever picked up your phone just to check one thing, and somehow it's 40 minutes later, and you don't even remember what you just watched? Not relaxed, not entertained, just tired, like your brain worked for hours while your body didn't move at all. Yeah, that's been happening to me a lot lately, and for the longest time, I thought it meant something was wrong with me, like I was lazy, unfocused, bad at discipline. But then I realized something. Maybe it's not me. Maybe my attention is just constantly being stolen. A few days ago, I sat down to study. Everything was ready. Laptop open, notes next to me, coffee, music. I told myself, okay, one focused hour. And then, I grabbed my phone, just for a second. Instagram, close, WhatsApp, nothing new, TikTok, one video, 2, 5. And suddenly, 20 minutes were gone. I didn't even enjoy it. It wasn't fun. It was just automatic, like my hand moved before my brain did. And after 2 hours, I had barely done anything. But somehow I felt completely exhausted. That's when it hit me. I'm not tired because I work too hard. I'm tired because my brain never gets a break. Here's the part nobody really talks about. Your phone isn't neutral. It's designed to keep you hooked. Every scroll, every refresh, every notification, it gives your brain a tiny hit of dopamine, a small reward. And dopamine doesn't make you satisfied. It makes you want more. So you keep checking, scrolling, refreshing again and again and again. But mentally, you're switching tasks hundreds of times an hour. Your focus never settles. Your mind never rests. It's just constant stimulation, constant noise. Your nervous system stays slightly stressed all day. No silence, no recovery, no real rest. So of course you feel tired at night. Even on days when you did nothing. Your brain has been running a marathon. So if you've been feeling distracted lately, foggy, like you can't focus the way you used to, it might not be a motivation problem. It might just be too much input, too much noise, too much phone. These 3 small changes helped me more than anything else. Nothing extreme, just simple resets. 1. Create one phone-free block every day, just one. Maybe the first 30 minutes after you wake up, or while you eat, or during study time. Put your phone away completely, not face down, not next to you, away. At first it feels boring, almost uncomfortable, but that's actually your brain calming down. After a few days, you'll notice something weird. Your thoughts feel slower, clearer, like you can finally breathe again. 2. Turn off almost all notifications. Most notifications aren't important, they're just interruptions. And every buzz puts your brain into alert mode, tiny stress, over and over, all day long. When I turned most of mine off, it felt like someone lowered the volume of my life. Less urgency, less pressure, more peace. It's such a small change, but it makes a huge difference. 3. Make your phone physically harder to reach. This sounds simple, but it works ridiculously well. Put it across the room, in your bag, on a shelf. Anywhere that forces you to stand up to grab it. Because if it's within arm's reach, you will pick it up. Not because you're weak, because you're human. A little friction can literally save hours of your day. Look, I'm not saying phones are evil. We all use them. They're useful. But if you constantly feel tired, behind, like your days disappear without you noticing, maybe it's not you. Maybe your brain just never gets silence. And you deserve silence. You deserve moments where you're actually living your life, not just scrolling through someone else's. Because your time, that's your life. And it's too valuable to lose to endless swipes. If this felt a little too relatable, try this tomorrow. Pick one moment, just one, and go completely phone-free. See how it feels. And let me know in the comments what your screen time is right now. I'm honestly curious. And if this video helped you even a little, feel free to like it and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and it helps me make more videos like this for you. We're figuring this out together. You're not lazy, you're not broken, you're just overstimulated, and you can take your focus back.